tomatoes, olives, of course the noodles, zesty Italian seasoning or sauce, or dressing rather, with some cheese, some chili pepper, some of that supreme seasoning, some turkey, mesquite turkey that's cut inside there as well. That's gonna be a good bite.
What it do? Wait, man, let me tell you something. We practice tendernism. So I just want to say it's a possibility. Oh, my. I'm trying to tell you.
Okay,
Oh, I love me some man. That tendernism, y'all.
I think they're tendernism. But today I made me some homemade spaghetti salad. Bake me some drumsticks, and that's really it. Take this down. Put that balance. Are you gonna balance? Oh. What I have in my spaghetti salad is, of course, the noodles, cheese, the supreme seasoning sauce, a little chili pepper, olives, tomatoes, and turkey, mesquite turkey. All right, let's get to eating. But first of all, Tina Bibbs TV. Tina Bibbs TV. You are watching Tina Bibbs TV. Okay. Is this too bright? Let me see. That's better. I'm in between jobs right now, you guys, so I have to get back to work as soon as possible. If you watch my channel and you're not getting in contact with me, and you know who hiring right away, I got to start next week. Let me know. I think I make some really good spaghetti salad. Have a bite. It is so darn good. Let me see if this chicken got some tendernism. And do look at that tendernism, boy. Look at that tendernism. See that tendernism? That tendernism, baby. Man, who's that guy? I think he's in California. He be cracking me up. He'd be like, oh, man, yeah. Seasoned to perfection. I want to try some of this. open it? No, I can't open it. Oh, there we go. Whew. So I'm just gonna put some, basically this chili crisp with the Szechuan chili crisp. Let's see what it do. It's good. Got that kick to it though that I like. This chicken done. I thought it was a good combination. Some spaghetti salad with some baked chicken. But how is everybody's day going? Mine just long because this past Tuesday, I no longer had a job. For Tuesday evening. So now, I gotta get to work ASAP. So good. I believe it's got that tendernism, baby. I like to bake my chicken like almost forever, just playing. Cause I do like my chicken to fall off the bone. But blow my videos up, y'all. But I really do I really hope that everybody's having a great day. Just keep me in your prayers that I get a job or find some type of way to make the income I need to pay my bills. So good. It's not gonna be a long video. I was hungry and I did not want to eat without y'all. I got this new tripod coming. And some more lavender, whatever it's called. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm already full basically. I'm gonna take my last bite of my chicken and cut more bites of my spaghetti salad and call it today. I'll probably get back with this a little later on today because I can't eat a lot at one time because I had the gastric bypass. And so that was some years ago, not well, 2018 I think, or 19. But my stomach still will let me know it's in charge. I don't care if it's my plate and I cooked it. I think yesterday when I made it at what I say, it was a 9.6 out of 10. I'm giving this a 9.65 out of 10. Everything is so flavorful, made to perfection. Y'all saw that tendernism. Here, last bite. This shit good. Period. Beautiful. I end my video by saying if you feel like you're going through something, like myself, and you feel like you're the only one going through it, just know that somebody else is going through something way worse. So keep your head up, love and be loved, do the right thing for the right reason, and be kind on purpose, y'all. And know that Tina Bibbs TV loves you with all her heart. I really do. I love you. I love you over there. You over there in the back. You over in that corner over there. And you over there. I love all of y'all. Okay? So like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what you want me to cook next. Okay?